Hello everyone and welcome to Benz Addiction. If you're wondering why your windows or roof on your Sl500 or any R129 from 1989 to 2002 doesn't work, this video might help you. This is a quick one to show you where the fuse box for the roof as well as the windows are. So if you come to the boot lid of R129, you'll notice there is a little plastic cover over here. Sorry for the mess over here. I'm in the middle of doing a few things on my car, but I was wondering why my windows, none of them were working. So there was nothing on the YouTube, but there was some wiring diagram on Google. So if you open this, there are 6 fuses. As you can see, the 2 on top, they're both broken and they belong to window lifters. Please refer to the fuse diagram behind the fuse cover for the detailed information on the fuses. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe as usual and enjoy your Mercedes.